sister, today I want to read for you about the one's um, Vivers, okay, one Vivers verse, and Matthew chapter 8, verse 8, talk about what is the mean. Jesus and the centurions, okay, that's two people talk about, and then read for you about the Matthew chapter 8, verse 8. This is confusion for me, okay. The God is powerful. Here's a read for you, okay. Matthew chapter 8, verse 8. The centurions replying, Lord, I do not deserve to have you come under my roof, but just say the word, and my servant will be healed. Only just say the word, okay? We don't understand about in the whole world, and then we think about the okay, we go to the the sometimes we sick and then we feeling so bad, sometimes we crazy, maybe something wrong to us. But think about it, Jesus can do everything about in the world. We understand about the Jesus healing the sick and raising the dead and so many things he do, okay, helping so many things, all right. But I think about something important here. So I want to read a little bit about the Quran language. Okay, pay ni yikle pakwa bakala paganyo clonit sep home, no pay bakala limate solo ho. A sepu honi, deva palomnity mile, peggle pakwa pay the sep home, no. Deva delay, no. Dot the wood yakone sister or no siweda. Kasa in the hand no lay hiko. Apolani, no, yet the baba, mite, nasi neglutable, do Yaputa kablakilo, mite nasi neglutable, and Yaputa kablakilo. Okay, only okay, say the word. Paine bakale teller, no, nasi neglu, paine sin neglu, say the word. Hallows, okay, arousal. Hi, my friends. Now, only say the word. This is mean about the centuries that he believed Jesus. Okay, he believed Jesus. I want to say you about the thing and right now. I want to go reading about the related verse of about the say the words the related verse. Okay, here's I want to read for you about that. Exodus chapter 15, verse 26 talk about, okay, he said, if you listen carefully the voice of the Lord your God and do what is right in his eye, if you pay attention to his commands and keep all his decrees, I will not bring on you any of the disease I brought on the Egyptian, for I am the Lord who heals you. Okay, I am from Bahamas, my friends. Okay, I'm from Bahama and the Korean people. Okay, okay, this is meaning about the we understand about in the Egyptian happen. The Moses and then Israel people. Okay, Moses. Okay, God sent to Moses, go there and then take us, okay, take them, okay, and then release them. Okay, they cry out, I hear. All right, this meaning about the God told the Moses and telling the Israel people how they had to be, they had to do. Okay, if you listen carefully, we understand about the God have the powerful and the God, making miserable thing in the Egyptian. This history is that the whole world know. Okay, I want to read for you about the current language a little bit here. No, lo paganyo cloni yigle pani to sell payment. No, Devara painting delay. No, pagite mano. Painting. No, le le kimose. No, le kimose a salad see a sabo kissy huni deva bomb mile. Dosi weda name kana you are aglu. Name kana you are nagasa. Aglu the potter do. Mata tota lole emenya. Do pana hunana le atamalu. Do tuni pika atatu tato keledo. Tasu tasala aduba. Wa akubutu pony. Jetta pabala nalo. Not me ba. Agiri jemi jwale ama black in a law. Jemmy Joala ma black in a Patinia lo, Kasa you are to the Isra put it parlor, Coagutupu, or a gisu, a basu, or a sukomo. Ma, where are tasuta sapani to bloom me. Lepa ecoputu, put it pa bakwa shame verane. Patinia lo, little hura or penny Kasaya tevrala, Nemi Tony, on the mipotwe, Nemi hiha, Purigermano. I want a curly cassini, Pacropatu patala, but I'm punilo, no? Payro je edo le pakwa sikolo lisosita batwe. Okay. I want to read for you about the related Bibles here at the Deuteronomy chapters. Deuteronomy chapter. Okay, chapter 33. I think that 33 is a verse 9. No? 33 is a verse 9 talk about here. No? He says of his father and mother, I had no regards from them. He did not recognize his brother or acknowledge his own children. No? Pay, no? Or, no? But he watched over your word and guards your convents. No? Guards your convents. Pay ni petinya sikola, no? Deuteronomy chapter 32. Sorry, no? Chapter 32. Verse 39, no, sorry, pain it quickly power pay simple, no. Thank you so much, my friend, no. Pain it delay. See, now that I myself am, there is no gods beside me. I put to death and I bring to life. I have wonders and I will heal, and no one can deliver out of my hand. Pagitetamala kasayuani, no, kasayuani, pagitetamala. Aware, no, aware uro agisu basu, no. The gods had the power, okay. The gods had the power. He put to death, okay, and then he bring to life, okay. This is meaning about it. The God has the power. Here, pagile pagwala, no, pagitetamala. Deuteronomy, Mirala, Ligia Moses, 30 30 queenie. 30 queenie, Tebapare. Kagane ye, no, ye, me yalo, no, Pagitermano, Kagane ye, me yalo. Kasato Uba do Yaba. Yamatita ye, do Yamamuta ye. Yamasata ye, do Yamablata ye. Do Tamapu plele, Yesupu to Uba. Margama mapuple le kasaywa asupune to uwanorgama. Okay, nekama bla wanyo thide, nekama thi wanyo dile. Netasuta komodoba. You don't have power. Okay. Put to death. Okay. Give life again. You don't have power like this. But the God has power. Okay, the God has power. Okay, bring to the life. Bring to life. Okay. You know, here the God talk about that no one can deliver out of my hand. No one can deliver out of my hand. Let's just supune, no, pretend my marama. He need the thiba, not the no. Pero pagale kwa le tamata the participle payment, no, pagite mala. Here is the Psalm chapter 33, verse 9. I want to read it about a little bit, okay, in the verse. For he spoke, and I came to be. He commanded, and it stood firm. Okay, stood firm. Let the Nokura Pakro Patu Patala, no Patamu Puni Paini, Pagitema, Patamu Putile, no? Tacita Patra, no? Paini, Tacita Patra, 33, no? A Serpo Queenie, Deva Palumini Mile, no? Super Queenie, no? Do Pagitema, Le Paini, Deva Palumini, Agri E, Katuwe, do, Take Top, Maluwe, do, Ta Uga Uklo, Katu, say the words only, no? Pagitema, attack to, no? War, Pagitema, war, no payment, no? The Tanugura Awakatura, ni, Take away, no? Pagitema, no? Do Pagitema, a women maluni, Ta Uga the Pur, not Debra Dinama, no? Without a Pakropatu Patala Tamu, Takan and Oloka Saiva Supulo, Pama or Thin Noragava, no? Pay or Tacita Petra to Gia Sapu 30 Deba Padile, no? Here the Psalm chapter 1 Psalm 100 verse 3. Know that the Lord is God, it is He who made us, and we are His people, the sheep of His pastures. When it patinya sikolo patamu pu sikolo, no? Penny tacita petra de Gia a sapu 30 Debra dile. Thinya, no, Thinya la Yami Pakasarki, a way down a deepwa, Tamiwa Pakasada Weva, Pame, a Poago Mudo, a ta osa a lot at Tulpulo. Okay. A one in a mitala Patamu Pulo, no? Pamarar Thinomiba, Takalen Olusayabu, everything in God's hand. Now, Penny Paglet Kuala, Psalm chapter 107. Verse 20 talk about them. No? He sends forth his word and he rescues them from the grave. No? Pagdena mala aware Odo agisu basu le ataamupu le amada no asusu agisu basu wala. Tacita Bratagia nui asapo kisine tema palo manitimile. Pekele qua pay to sepo, not Deverano. Payro mal no molo agludo ma blackio do mapu maple or le tama hagolo. Molo aglu, okay, molo aglu. No, Pagitera mala away Pagitetile, no? Pacra sucumudalo medina, he sent forth his word. When a Pagitana ugly his word. No word. Did I know good a murder ugly? No Pagitana no mapu map ma blackio. No murder ugly ma blackio. Hailing. Pagitana ma hailing them. No. Let us know good a Pacropatu patala patamupu. No. This is a very good thing about between. Okay, another thing is another follow verse is I want to read for here. Jeremiah, okay. Jeremiah chapter 17 verse 14. Only last one left now. He says, heal me, O Lord, and I will be healed. Save me and I will be saved. For you are the one I praise. For you are the one I pray. No? Pagitena mala kai paini devara no mablakia mano mablakia kas o kasal. Pamitelo pagtaka tuni tisikolo basana kiro pero le phalo ponyo aklomo no pay the sepo. Kasal mablakia ki do yaka blakilo uki koki yarki do yakatilo ta uki koki yalo agide I nemi sitopatra ta alolo nemi sitopatra ta alolo no paini tera no for yous are the ones I praise no putemana nago nadagalo no nadagalo just sitopatra na putete madinimano. We should think about carefully in our life. Okay, the God is powerful. Whatever you ask, He will give it to you. I hear about the Jeremiah. We're Mia. No, Jeremiah, we're Mia. Take my life. I don't want to live on the earth anymore. Dr. Sayo Hitakyo. He needs a tatamu. No, you dare omulu hokulaba. Dr. Sayo Hikari. No, Sayo Hitakyo. No, Jeremiah chosen another one is the Isaiah. Okay, his disciple. No. The Tanukura Pathinya la Kasaya Hutaraki Vedala. No, Pagitama Wisaya. No, Letana Hutarane. Pathinya la Patamopulo. No. Okay, say the word. No, say Nikalu. Te say Nikalinibal. Okay, say the word. Whatever God say, okay, is happen quickly. Okay. Sometimes we feeling about the nothing on the earth, okay, no God on the earth, but sometimes we feeling terrible thing. We scary. This is means someone important than us and someone powerful than us. We understand about like this, right? This is me. You will feeling about the God guides people the whole world. God guiding people the whole world. I believe that God wants all people in the world living peacefully. Okay, peacefully, and then they stay together. Okay, it's the human being. Okay, they'll fight each other. They'll kill each other. Okay, everything to people in the world, but the people guilty, and then the people arrogant. Okay, so many problems in the world. That's me. Okay, they can't see the God. They can't see the God. The God very angry, and then maybe the God don't want to see the people. But only just Jesus came onto the earth. Jesus, okay? Jesus is the right man. Okay. You believe Jesus? Jesus told everything about in the world. Jesus says, who believe me never die. Right? Thank you so much, my friends and my brother and sister. Okay. This is only say the word. Jesus say the words. Okay. People will be healing. The God say the word. People will be healed. Don't be doubt. Don't be doubt. Okay. Remember this. God bless you all, my friends, my brother and sister. Okay. I will see you next time. Bye bye.